Pull up in the Tuscaloosa, tryna come up, but it just ain't your day, you little bitch. Ay, shoulda got a little closer. Couldn't hear what make the shit drop. Like it's hot in a pot full of lava.
Good morning, good morning. Guess who's late again? That's right, it's me, Mr. Paul. And we got something nice inside. But first, let's say hi to Levon. Good morning, Lev. How are you, brother?
Nice to see you, man.
Good to see you, Akbis.
Always.
So, Levon brought something nice.
Right.
Levon brought something nice to the shop. His nickname is AMGZ, but he broke his own rule. So let's check out what it is. This project's done. Gonna go for a test drive, get released to the customer. Wow. That is bright, dude. That is bright. I'm not talking about my smile. I'm talking about this gorgeous C7 Stingray that our client just picked up. Congratulations to him, well deserved. He definitely is a working man, so I won't talk too much about it, but if you want to talk about family morals, he's definitely the guy. He's always put his family first, multiple businesses, multiple car washes, and you know what? This is what you deserve, my guy. So, anyway, let's not talk too much. He's had the car for less than a week. It's already time for some upgrades. Upgrade time?
Upgrade time.
Upgrade time. So, let's show you guys what's next.
Check the other side for me.
Hey, do these secondary cats come out too or no? It's just. Let me do this. This is fun. This is fun. Let's
Boom, boom, boom. Take these out. Okay. Take these out. Take these out. You're gonna see that it's gonna be able to just pop right out. You have your two clamps. Boom, boom.
Yep.
You got two more clamps over here. Boom, boom. Drop the factory out. Put the new one in. Slather on that acoustic seal that we like to use, that tar jam.
Yep.
Put it back together. That's done. And then you have your
Alex, boom, boom.
boom, 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 boom. And then your lowering bolts. You put a pole jack underneath this. All right. So that you put pressure. Give me your hand. You feel that?
Yes.
Okay. That's your lowering bolt. Okay. Put a wrench on there. You start twisting. I'm not gonna tell you left or right. I'm gonna leave that as a surprise for you. One way goes down. Max out all four of them completely, and put the car back down on the ground. That's your task for this car. Cool. Simple, right? I'll give you 30.
Paranoid Corvette driver.
This is a horrible idea. I'm just kidding.
Nah, you're chilling, bro.
No, I know. I probably only trust him with my car. Any muscle car. Well, any car, but mostly muscle.
That's what's up, my guy.
Also, make sure that this is cool, because if it's hot, you're gonna melt your gloves.
Yeah, did you push your car a little bit on the way here? Just a little, huh?
Abiding California speed limits, of course.
Yeah. Straight bullshit.
Hey, can we do something great and actually pull this motor out and put a 5-liter Coyote motor under it?
Look, the Ford in him already came out talking shit.
You know what they say, right?
Yeah, where's that truck?
Poor
What
man's
is
Ferrari right here, except it ain't even a Ferrari.
Poor man's Ferrari, eh?
Ferrari, bro.
Actually, that's what a lot of people say on the Corvette.
But it's funny.
But it's
I
actually
afford a Ferrari too.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Sorry, 30 years old?
No.
Is it running? Does it even have a motor in it?
Well, I mean, not to be rude, but if it's 30 years old, it's like at least 2 million, dude. So.
Oh, you bought this used? Yeah, I bought it used. Oh, asshole, you're talking big thing like you bought a brand new.
Well, no, I went to go buy a brand new ZL1.
Listen, guys, no one buys a new car that's smart, all right? If you want to be smart, you never buy a new car, unless you got an auto broker.
Want to hear the story about it?
And
Yes.
cut in
Tell us the story.
broker.
Hold on.
I'll tell you the story.
Go ahead.
I went to buy a ZL1 1LE. God knows why the fuck I
Why
bought
a ZL1 1LE? What are you gonna do with that
I drove it
car?
one, I fucking fell in love. It's
Yeah,
amazing.
okay, but that's a track car. You don't even drive on the track.
Watch me track the fuck out of it. So it turns out this car was it was an older couple, husband and wife. They bought the car in New York. He bought a Z06. He bought this for her. They both drove across the country, like from Florida, Miami, and then I don't know fucking where.
So he got tired of her and didn't want her in the car, so he bought her a second car so he wouldn't have to hear her voice.
They both drove like back to back. I don't know who does that, but I guess it's kind of cool. They both drove like back to back all over, and they ended up here in LA. They both put the 2 Corvettes down and bought like one
Porsche.
No, one Suburban. Ended up going like upside down. I don't know how all that even happens, but and then I saw the car, and then it just pulled up to like it's a lot. I'm like, how much you want for the car? They're like, we don't even have a price on it yet. So then I threw out a number, and then they're like, let's see what we can do, and then they worked it out.
Like, I'll give you
So what you're saying is this was a woman's car before you?
So what?
Yes.
All right.
But the cool thing was I saw pictures of it and everything. Like they had the whole front, like those like black leather wrap that they have.
Yeah, the face shield.
But clearly that didn't fucking do anything, you know.
It actually scratches the bumper more, believe it or not, because of the dirt.
That's not gonna show that much anymore.
The bumper covers. That's true. That's right.
390.
Full carbon fiber. So she probably only used like 4 cylinders of this car.
Bro, I got in the car. It said she was doing like 36 miles per gallon the entire time.
That's better than my Prius, to be honest.
What are you tightening that down to, Chris?
Okay, we're gonna let Alex get to this. Hopefully within the next hour and a half, we have an X pipe in there. And I'll definitely get some videos of the car ripping. I mean, just idling. Yeah, why didn't you take the 1LE? ZL1
I don't know,
1LE?
man. I think it was a color that
What color was the 1LE?
black. It was a black 1LE and a white ZL1, just a regular ZL1, and I was down for both of them, but fuck my life, right?
And he decided to get the orange one
And
instead.
I'm gonna fall fucking one.
Nah, it's nice, man. It really is. Yeah. I was gonna say if you were single, you know, but I guess you're taken, so.
I'm gonna die here.
Why are you gonna die?
I'm under the weather.
Oh my god, you're sick too?
Yep.
I think I'm gonna start a new series called The Flu. Everyone in here, bro. Thank god you guys aren't even sleeping with each other. And I would say there's a reason why you guys are all sick at the same time. New series called The Flu. Starting Akio.
Patient 0.
Spreading to Rubik. Coming all the way back to Paul, where it originally started. And then we'll spread it to our clients.
Done being fucking sick.
All right.
Fuck off.
I'm the last one surviving. The truth is herbal medication. Don't listen to your doctor. Be your own doctor. This is the look that you get when you don't order your parts through PK Auto Design and you think you know what you're doing.
I do know what I'm doing.
In reality, you end up getting the wrong part.
Not the wrong part.
We see a little bit of a difference here, right guys? It's a little short.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's the same exact size.
Mickey Mousing at its
It's
finest.
not Mickey Mouse.
Left, no go. Even if we chop it and we do it, the problem we're gonna have is that the piping points are not the same. The mounting points aren't the same.
So what do we do?
The 2 options. Option number 1, we just chop and use your secondary cats and put it on there. Okay? Which is what it's
Can
traditionally.
we order it in one?
Option number 2 is Monday I call and see if they can even make me that 65.
Option 3, Corsa.
Or option 3 Corsa.
Or option 3 course.
Can we order the Corsa now? If we order it now, can we be here by like Tuesday at least?
Let me see what they have. Okay, guys.
Back to the boards we go.
I need more loud!
That's true. Alright, so I guess he's leaving stock. That's fine, shit happens.
Alright guys,
Put it back on.
let's put it back on.
What you up to, Alex?
We're gonna put back on his stock exhaust. Unfortunately, the one that he ordered through Borla, wasn't the proper one.
An actual one that he needs is discontinued.
Correct.
So, Corsa time?
That's it.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, it's the devil himself. Mr. Devil.
Yeah, we're gonna do the Corsa. That'll be more straightforward.
Did you order already?
Yep.
Wow, that was fucking fast actually.
I didn't even.
It was like complete 15 or 20 seconds.
I just ordered it. He doesn't even know how much.
Hey, but I'm actually happy for you. The Corsa is honestly my favorite. Yeah, dude. There's zero rasp in Corsas. They sound a lot better. Anyway, let's not talk too much. Let these guys get to work.
He's dying, bro. Look at him.
Like a hot bag of shit. He's like, fuck, I gotta do this again.
Well, the sweating is helping you right now.
Huh?
That is good.
The sweating?
Yeah.
That's why I told you you're supposed to.
That's good.
And then sauna's gonna help you too.
In case you guys didn't know, Paul's also a doctor.
Don't go in the sauna, just stay in the bed. That's how I got my sinus infection. I went into a sauna and all this sinus went up behind my eye and my eye was like this big. And I had to get surgery. Don't go to a sauna.
Wait, when you're sick, you shouldn't go to a sauna?
When you have a fever, the first thing you think about is, yeah, you go to a sauna so you sweat it all out. I went to a sauna, I was still freezing cold like in the sauna. I was inside for like 45 minutes.
What the
Yeah, 45 minutes I was inside and I was freezing.
And Levon's on his way right now.
And let me show you a picture of my eye the next day.
I don't think they're ready to see all this, man.
Parental discretion is advised.
Working with cars sometimes you're running the things the customer doesn't want.
You guys ready for this? You guys ready for this?
Oh my god!
Yeah. Yeah.
You are ugly.
Hey, no, we should like leave it like straight line.
Yo, can we start it?
Just right here. Right there, like that.
You want to hear it?
No, you have to put it back down and all the way up. You're wasting this guy's time.
You're just a tease, Lemon.
Man, I'm just a tease.
First you say you want to do something, and then...
I only tease you till second base. Yeah, I did.
Well, I'm all about grand slams, bro.
How's everyone's day?
Well, you know what? Come here, bro. Come here. I didn't want you to feel like you're going home completely stock. Didn't do nothing, not even tint or anything. So I added something to give you just a little bit more horsepower. All right.
5? That's it? Just 5 more?
Per letter, 5.
Oh shit.
Per letter, yeah. It's better than a supercharger.
Does it make noises?
No noises. It's all right. Everything happens for a reason, you know. It's a life lesson to everyone that's watching this. Don't order your parts yourself. Make sure you go to a professional, aka PK Auto Design. We are the performance kings. Yeah, or else you can have a face like this guy right now, just completely sad. And it's a Saturday, which means you're still gonna be stocked for the weekend.
Take it easy, then.
Take it easy, man. Take it easy.
Stock is life. Hashtag lady driven. Oh no, the BBSs are leaving? They're going to a new home, guys. Just kidding, they're gonna go get refinished. We should be getting them back. I think it's about 1 or 2 week turnaround time from where we send it. Off they go. The last time you guys are gonna look like this, or I should say you ladies. Let's definitely get a shot out in the light. Sorry guys. You're gonna bring them back, right? You're not gonna keep them, right? They're absolutely beautiful.
Alright, thank you.
I hope I see those wheels again. How does it feel when you wake up in the morning and your car is still stock, leaving PK at night?
Pull it off and now let me drive it. See how it's driving. What's up? Nothing, let's go for that.
Hey Paul, you driving a Chevy?
Yeah.
Man, you're definitely a hypocrite. So this car got the lowering links adjusted on it. It's sitting a lot nicer until it gets the coarse exhaust, and then it's definitely gonna make some noise. Oh yeah. Not bad. Definitely sounds lady driven. Look who's back. Stingray's back. Back again. Oh, it's still stock. Tell your friends.
Guess who's stock? Guess who's stock? Guess who's stock? Guess who's stock?
That's right.
Me,
Hey, Paul.
me.
Paul, is there a smile on your face?
That's all right.
You had fun with it, didn't you?
I just like the transmission.
Lev, be honest. Did he push it?
Yeah.
No? How's his driving skills? Be honest.
Oh, he's good.
Like a 3 out of 10?
3 out of 3.
3 out of 3. Damn.
All right, fellas.
He's just trying to get a discount at this point. My man.
Be
I'll
good.
see you soon, bro, okay? Wednesday?
Wednesday or Thursday. Whenever it comes, just call me, bro. I need
Let
it
me
done,
see you whip
please.
this shit out of you, alright?
Right, bro.
Man, I almost fell over those. I gotta watch what I'm doing.
You need more experience then.
That's true. Estrella! Estrella! You're too fast, you're too fast! You're too fast! This is the neighborhood shop dog. She will eat you.